What's up, idol? So for today's video, I'm going to share to you my honest review after 7 months of using this electric scooter, the Highboy Max Pro electric scooter. Be honest with you guys, within 7 months that I am using this electric scooter, I never experienced any errors, any stem wobble or stem shaking. The suspension is still too soft, and then the range is still the same. Even the speed is still the same. So to be honest, this electric scooter is my highly recommended in terms of performance and then in terms of budget wise. So the price of this, I think now in online is around 1,900 or 2,000 dirhams. So that is for that price. This is very worth it, guys. So only issues that I experienced from this electric scooter, the Highboy Max Pro, is the rear tube is getting punctured, which is easy to fix. So by the way, guys, I have videos on how to fix the inner tube or on how to replace the inner tube. And